ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ଇଂଲିଶ ଗ୍ରାମାରର ଏକ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ପାର୍ଟ ଯାହାକି କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ୍ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ଆମେ ସେହି କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ୍ର ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ମଲ୍ଟିପୁଲ୍ ଚଏସ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ସବୁ ଅଛି ଯାହାକି ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲା ମାତ୍ରେ ଆମର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ଏବଂ ତା ବିଷୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମର ଜ୍ଞାନ ବୃଦ୍ଧି ହେବ, ଏଥିରେ ଟିକେ ମାତ୍ର ସନ୍ଦେହ ନାହିଁ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଆମେ ସର୍ବପ୍ରଥମେ ଜାଣିବା ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ୍। What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes words. That is conjunction. ठीक अछि, तेबे एही conjunction गुड़िकर संपूर्ण व्यवहार एही मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन माध्यम रे आमे एबे जानिबा। ठीक अछि, जहाँकि आमर जीवन रे बहुत मूल्यवान यह जानिबा पाई। ठीक अच्छे, तेज आम देखा प्रथम प्रश्न कौन अच्छी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वी शैल विजिट पुरी डैश कोणार्क। वी शैल विजिट पुरी डैश कोणार्क। यार ऑप्शन अच्छी और, बोथ, ऑल्सो, एज। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि ए और। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विजय डेक्स आई आर फ्रेंड्स। विजय डेक्स आई आर फ्रेंड्स। यार ऑप्शन अच्छी और, एंड, ऑल्सो, बोथ। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि बी, एंड। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, he works slowly ducks accurately. He works slowly ducks accurately. यार ऑप्शन अच्छी but, और, and, also. यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि but। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, he has a very large family to look after ducks. He is very unhappy. He has a very large family to look after ducks. He is very unhappy. यार ऑप्शन अच्छी because, least, therefore, as। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि सी, therefore। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, you, he, ducks, I shall go to the cinema. You, he, ducks, I shall go to the cinema. यार ऑप्शन अच्छी and, but, also, both। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि ए, and। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, माय फादर bought me a pen ducks a pencil. My father bought me a pen ducks a pencil. यार ऑप्शन अच्छी else, और, thus, as well as। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि डी, as well as। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, be quick ducks we will miss the bus. Be quick ducks we will miss the bus। यार ऑप्शन अच्छी and, otherwise, else, or। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि सी, else। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, I asked him to come ducks I had something to tell him. I asked him to come ducks I had something to tell him। यार ऑप्शन अच्छी and, or, for, both। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि सी, for। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, you can travel ducks you like. You can travel ducks you like। यार ऑप्शन अच्छी moreover, therefore, thus, however। यार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि डी, however। ठीक अच्छे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, He is clever and intelligent. Dax, he is industrious. He is clever and intelligent. Dax, he is industrious. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି therefore, but, moreover, else. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ସି moreover. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, you may play chess. Dax, watch the serial on TV. You may play chess. Dax, watch the serial on TV. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି so, but, or, as. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ସି or. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, turn the heat down. The cake will Dax, the cake will burn. Turn the heat down, Dax, the cake will burn. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି but, so, as, or. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଡି or. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, we must run. Dax, we will miss the train. We must run. Dax, we will miss the train. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି otherwise, while, but, still. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଏ otherwise. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, he didn't work hard. Dax, he failed in the exam. He did not work hard. Dax, he failed in the exam. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି or, as, so, but. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ସି so. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, do as I told you. Dax, you will be in trouble. Do as I told you. Dax, you will be in trouble. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି while, otherwise, but, still. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ବି otherwise. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, the shops were closed. Dax, I could not buy anything to help him. The shops were closed. Dax, I could not buy anything to help him. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି or, as, but, so. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଡି so. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, you are not rich. Dax, you could do something to help him. You are not rich. Dax, you could do something to help him. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି hardly, through, therefore, still. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଡି still. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, he was late. Dax, he was not punished. He was late. Dax, he was not punished. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି still, through, therefore, hardly. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଏ still. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, I was ill. Dax, I could not attend my classes. I was ill. Dax, I could not attend my classes. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି moreover, therefore, otherwise, thus. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ବି therefore. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, my bicycle got punctured. Dax, I got home late. My bicycle got punctured. Dax, I got home late. ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି therefore, moreover, otherwise, thus. ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଏ therefore. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, the father. Dax, the father is tall. Dax, the son is short. The father is tall. Dax, the son is short. एहार ऑप्शन अछि हुए, whereas, which, as well as. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि बी whereas. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. He is poor. Dax, he is honest. He is poor. Dax, he is honest. एहार ऑप्शन अछि since, you, yet, so. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि सी yet. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. She is pretty. Dax, she is ill mannered. She is pretty. Dax, she is ill mannered. एहार ऑप्शन अछि for, since, so, yet. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि डी yet. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The boy is Dax intelligent. Dax smart. The boy is Dax intelligent. Dax smart. एहार ऑप्शन अछि either or, neither nor, as well as, both and. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि डी both and. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. She is old. Dax, she will help you. She is old. Dax, she will help you. एहार ऑप्शन अछि otherwise, while, but, still. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि सी but. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. We Dax love and honor him. We Dax love and honor him. एहार ऑप्शन अछि both, as soon as, to, as. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि ए both. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dax, his father came to the party. Dax, his father came to the party. एहार ऑप्शन अछि either or, neither nor, as, both and. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि बी neither nor. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dax, the teachers took part in the discussion. Dax, the teachers took part in the discussion. एहार ऑप्शन अछि not only but also, either or, both and, neither nor. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि ए not only but also. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Take care. Dax, you should fall. Take care. Dax, you should fall. एहार ऑप्शन अछि that, or, least, before. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि सी list. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Keep it, Dax, we can all see. Keep it, Dax, we can all see. एहार ऑप्शन अछि that, where, while, as soon as. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि बी हुए. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dax, there is a well, there is a way. Dax, there is a well, there is a way. एहार ऑप्शन अछि that, while, as, where. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि डी हुए. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. He fell asleep. Dax, he was reading. He fell asleep. Dax, he was reading. एहार ऑप्शन अछि that, where, till, while. एहार सठिक उत्तरटी होउछि डी while. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. I have not seen him. That, Dax, we parted. I have not seen him. Dax, we parted. यार ऑप्शन अछि फॉर एंड हार्ली सिंस यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि डी सिंस। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द रेट ran into the hole desk it saw a cat. The rat ran into the hole desk it saw a cat. यार ऑप्शन अछि when as soon as while यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि सी as soon as। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन his desk weak desk he can't work his desk weak desk he can't work यार ऑप्शन अछि so as both and either or so that यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि डी so that। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन he Dex heard the news Dex he left for home he Dex heard the news Dex he left for home यार ऑप्शन अछि no sooner than as well as so that either or यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि ए no sooner than। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन you can stay here Dex you like you can stay here Dex you like यार ऑप्शन अछि as well as long as soon as यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि सी as long as। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन I stayed in the hostel Dex I was a student I stayed in the hostel Dex I was a student यार ऑप्शन अछि when while where unless यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि बी while। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन the crops will fail Dex it rains the crops will fail Dex it rains यार ऑप्शन अछि unless till until because यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि ए unless। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन everyone likes him Dex he is honest everyone likes him Dex he is honest यार ऑप्शन अछि therefore as soon as because but यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि सी because। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन both Sheila Dex Leela are beautiful both Sheila Dex Leela are beautiful यार ऑप्शन अछि or yet and else यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि सी and। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन Dex he worked hard he could not succeed Dex he worked hard he could not succeed यार ऑप्शन अछि although though therefore till यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि बी though। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन his Dex a fool Dex a lunatic his Dex a fool Dex a lunatic यार ऑप्शन अछि either or neither nor or and both and यार सठिक उत्तरटी होछि ए either or। ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन Dex Ajay Dex Vijay attended the school Dex Ajay Dex Vijay attended the school यार ऑप्शन अछि either or neither nor no sooner than as यार ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ବି ନାଇଦର नो ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଲାୟନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡେକ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଫ୍ରିକା। ଲାୟନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡେକ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଫ୍ରିକା। ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି ଅର୍, ସୋ, ବଟ୍, ବୋଥ୍। ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଡି ବୋଥ୍। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ହି ଇଜ୍ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଡେକ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ୱିକ୍। ହି ଇଜ୍ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଡେକ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ୱିକ୍। ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି ଏଣ୍ଡ, ସୋ, ଏଜ୍, ବଟ୍। ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଡି ବଟ୍। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ହି ଡେକ୍ସ borrows money ଡେକ୍ସ steals it। ହି ଡେକ୍ସ borrows money ଡେକ୍ସ steals it। ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି ଆଇଦର ଅ, ନାଇଦର नो, ନଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ବଟ୍ ଅଲସୋ, ଏଜ୍। ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ସି ନଟ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ବଟ୍ ଅଲସୋ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ I was writing a letter ଡେକ୍ସ ମୋହନ came in। I was writing a letter ଡେକ୍ସ ମୋହନ came in। ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି while, where, when, which। ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ସି when। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ lend him your book ଡେକ୍ସ he requests you। Don't lend him your book ଡେକ୍ସ he requests you। ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି till, until, still, unless। ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ଡି unless। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ he is ଡେକ୍ସ honest ଡେକ୍ସ his brother। He is ଡେକ୍ସ honest ଡେକ୍ସ his brother। ଏହାର ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି so that, both and, as, either or। ଏହାର ସଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ହେଉଛି ସି as। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ପିଲାମାନେ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖି ଜଣାଇବ ଏବଂ ଏହି ଗ୍ରାମାର ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ହୋଇଥିବାରୁ ନିଜ ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥିମାନଙ୍କ ନିକଟକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ସେୟାର କରିବ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।